G'day, Wal here from Townsville CNC, router and laser cuttings. Situated at the Queensland Signage Solutions building, we're the guys to call when you need something cut. Our CNC router cutter is 1.6 metres wide by 9 metres long, making it one of the largest this side of Brisbane. This means we can cut your oversized sheets, planks or extrusion at 6 metre lengths or even longer. And our precision laser cutter can cut and engrave pretty much anything. Townsville CNC, we're a cut above the rest. Check us out on the web, Facebook or Instagram.